problem where you have to calculate the minimum cost. Unbalanced means, see here, available is 35, whereas requirement is 17. So unequal is there. So when unequal is there, we will take one more destination. Suppose this is fictitious destination. Here we will put 0, 0, 0 and 18. If we are putting 18, now see it is a balanced one. Now in this, here it is also 35, here is also 35, so we can proceed. First of all, we have to find a basic feasible solution. Any sorts of method, different methods we have learned. Let us start with northwest corner method. Northwest corner method means we will start from here. Here it is 8 and 10 is there. Smaller is 8, so we will take 8 here. So 8 is there. That means this is finished. This row column is no more required, and here it is 10 was there, now it remains 2. So we will proceed to the next one, and here we will provide 2. This 2 is there, it is going, so here this 5 becomes now 3. Okay, so we can, this is over, so we'll come here, we'll put here 3. 3 is going, so now this column is also over, and here it becomes 10. So we'll get 10 here. We are giving 10. So no, we cannot give 10 here. 10 and 4, out of which 4 is smaller, so we can give 4. So 4 is over, now it remains 6. So we have to proceed to the next, and here we will provide 6. Since 18 is there, that 6 is over, now it remains 12. This 12 and 12, here we will provide 12. So in this way, see there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 allotments. 4 plus 3 is 7. 6 allotments are there, so it is okay. It is a basic feasible solution. Now we are not knowing whether the solutions are optimal or not. That means cost is minimum or not. For that we will adopt a method. We will take ui and vj such that for first take, I am showing you the method, take the maximum allotted either column or row. This row is maximum allotted. Put it as 0. Now we have to put, this is ui is 0, plus we have to make ui plus vj equals to ij. This is for only allotted cells. Since here is 0, this is 0, so you can put it 0. Such that 0 plus 0 equals to 0. Next, this is, here it is allotted, it is also allotted cell. 0 is here, so we will put it 0. 0 plus 0 equals to 0. See only the cost value, not the allotment. Okay. Now come here, here 0 is there, so 0 plus 0 is 0. Next allotted cell is this one. 0 is there, 5 is there, so it will be 5. 5 plus 0 equals to 5. Now here it is 3, here it is 5. So 5 minus 2 equals to 3. Now see, here it is 4 is there, minus 2, so we will put it 6. such that 6 minus 2 equals to 4. So we put all the ui and bj's such that ui plus bj equals to cij. After that, follow the steps what I am showing. After, for this unallotted cells, we will first find ui plus bj. Here it is 0. For this 0 minus 2, it will be minus 2. Better write it in a circle. Then here it is 0 plus 0. This is 0. Then 0 minus 2, it will be minus 2. Then here come, it is 5 plus 0, it will be 5. Here it is 6 plus 0, it will be 6. Here it is 6 plus 0, this will also be 6. We have allotted all these things. Now what we have to check, see the method carefully. What we have to do is, we will find C that is for unallotted cells. See this one, 1 minus 6. It will become minus 5. I am writing it here, minus 5. Then this one, 3 minus 6. It will become minus 3. This is and this is 8 minus 5. This will become 3. Then here 6 minus 0. It will become 6. And here 2 minus 2, that is 2 plus 2. This is 4. And here 0 minus 2, that is 2. So we have done 6. So all these things are there. After putting this one, we have to check. Here 2 negative values are there. If it is all non-negative values are coming, then only we can consider that is the optimal solution. Hence we can say this is not the optimal solution. Okay, though so we need not require to calculate it, that what is the cost, but still I will suggest you to calculate it. It is for learning, not for exam. This cost will be, what is the cost now? Cost equals to 8 into 4, 32, plus 2 into 3, 32 and 6 is 38, and 15. 5 into 3 is 15, 38 plus 15 is 53, and all others are 0. So cost equals to 53. Again I am repeating, this is not required to calculate, but I am showing you to calculate it for learning. So now see, out of these 2 negative values, we have to choose the smallest negative. Smallest negative means which is numerically smaller. Modulus value is small. Here 3 is smaller than 5. Don't consider minus 3 and minus 5. Out of the negative values, which one is smaller in magnitude? 3. So here we have to allot maximum possible allotments. So that means here means here. So here we have to allot. It is 8 and 12 is there. 8 is less. So we will allot here 8. As we are allotting here 8, this 8 we are no more allotting because this is finished. This is finished. Now here 12 is there. So here we will apply. Here 12 was there. We can allot 4 such that 8 plus 4, this 12 is also done. Now we have to okay. Now what we have to do? We have to allot other cells. See here 2, 3, 5 was there. Here still 5 is there. But how to, since we have allotted 2, as a next what we can do, this is, here it was 18. 18 we have allotted 4, so 14 is there. Think it, 14 is there. Here 2 allotments was there. But we cannot apply 2 because 14 is not possible to give anyone. It is 13, it is 10. That means we have to allot these 2 cells. That means here we have to reduce. So out of these 2 and 3, we can allot 5 here directly, such that this 5 is over and this is becoming 5. 5 is there. So next this was, no more allotment was there. Here 4 is there. So we can allot 4 was here. We can allot the, maintain the same allotments 4. If 4 is there, this is gone. So now here 9 is there. So 9 and 5. So we can apply, allot 5 here and 9 here. So that 5 plus 9 is 14. Every allotment is done and we can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 allotments are there. Hence it's a basic feasible solution. Remember m plus n minus 1. 4 plus 3 minus 1. 6 allotments are required for its a basic feasible solution. Now check it. We will do again like the previous one, ui and vj. If we are doing here, see here maximum allotment is in this column, so we will put 0. Now 0 plus 0 is 0. Again 0 plus 0 is 0. We are doing only for allotted cells, and 0 plus 0 is 0. Now here 0 is there and it is 4, so it will be, no sorry, it is 0 is there. So 0 plus 0 is 0. Don't see this one, see the cost. 0 plus 0. Now for this one, 0 is there, it is 3. To make it 3, it is 3. And it is 0 is there, it is 3. To make it 3, it will be 3. In this way, we have done all ui and vj's such that ui plus vj equals to cj. See here, 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus, in this way you can check for everyone. For allotted cells we have done. Now we will do as we have done in this case, ui plus vj for non-allotted cells. It is 3 plus 0, so it will be 3. Then 3 plus 0, this will also become 3. Can here it is 3 plus 0, it will be 3. Then here 3 plus 0, this will also become 3. Here 0 plus 0, this will be 0. And here 0 plus 0, this will also become 0. All this way now we have allotted 6. Now we will calculate these values once again for checking the optimal solution or not. So for that, see here, it is 4 minus 3, it is 1. 4 minus 3, it is 1 minus 3, it is minus 2. Again, this is not a 5 minus 3, this is 2, it is 8 minus 3, this is 5, here it is 6 minus 0, it is 6, here it is 2 minus 0, it is 2. So in this way, again we are getting a negative value. If you are getting a negative value, that means it is not the optimal solution. This solution is not the optimal solution, and you need not require to calculate the cost, but I am showing you to calculate cost. It is not for exam, for learning. See here, 8 3s are 24, 5 3s are 15, 24, 34, 39, and nothing else is there. 8 3s are 24, 5 3s are 15, so 39. Check always this cost is less than this one. So cost is reduced, but it is not the optimal. If it is not reducing, that means you are committing some mistake. So now what we have to do, this is the only negative value. So here in this cell we have to allot maximum. So here in this cell we have to allot maximum. In this cell 8 and 13 is there, so we will allot 8 here, and we will no more allot in this cell. So this one is over, this one is over. Now here 5 is there. So in this there 4 was here and 4 was here, so we will maintain this 4. So if we are maintaining 4, this is finished, this is becoming 1. 1 was there, so we have to supply, complete it, we have to supply 1 here. Now come to this one, here 5 was allotted, we can maintain this 5, there is no change is required. 5 is here, and here also 5 was here. So this one we can maintain 5, 5, 10 is over, this one is over, this one is over, this one is over. Now what remains here? Here 4 is there, it is over. Now here only required, this is here still 8, 13, it is over 8, 4, 1, 13 is over. So now here 6, 12 is here, and here also 12, we can allot 12 here. So in this way we have made 6 allotments. So it's a basic feasible solution. Whether it is optimal or not, for that again we have to check UI and Bj. So maximum allotted row column is this one, so take it 0, 0 plus 0, 0 plus 0 equals to 0, 0 plus 0 equals to 0, and 0 plus 0 equals to 0. Now come to this one, 0 is there, so 0 plus 0 equals to 0. Now this is one more error, 3 is here, so it will be 3, 3 plus 0 equals to 3, and this is 1 is there. To make here is 0, so we have to make it 1. 1 plus 0 equals to 1. So we have done it for all the things, we got it UI and Bj. Now like the previous cases, we will find UI plus Bj for non-allotted cells. So it is 1 plus 0, this will be 1. Here it is 1 plus 0, this will also be 1. 3 plus 0, this will be 3. 3 plus 0, this will be 3. And here it is 0 plus 0, this will be 0. 0 plus 0, this will be 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, we have done. You got UI plus Bj for all the cells. Now again we will do this one like the previous cases. Once again we have to do it. We have to fill it this one. See here, 4 minus 1 is 3. 4 minus 1 is 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. We are doing it for unallotted cells. 5 minus 3 is 2. And 8 minus 3 is 5. 6 minus 0 is 6. 2 minus 0 is 2. See, all the values are coming positive, hence this is your optimal solution. This is your optimal solution. Okay, and only here you have to find the cost. So this is our final solution. This solution is the optimal solution, hence all these values are coming positive, and cost is here 8 into 1 8 plus 5 into 3 15, 8 plus 15 is 23, all others are 0. So cost equals to 23. This is your final cost, or we can say minimum cost. And see here, it was 53, 39, and finally it is 23. 23 is your least cost, and this is your answer. This 23 cost is the answer, and these allotments are your final allotments. I hope I can